So we're about to get this wig on. We're about to put this wig on in 10 minutes, okay? And let me tell you why, because I'm not about to sit here and lie to you and say you're gonna put your wig on and style it and all of that in 10 minutes, because that is definitely not the case. My wig is already together. She's ready. She's just ready to be put on, okay? I even got the baby hair laid, so all I have to do is put the wig on, spray what got to be, and be gone. Because to be honest, I used to wear a lot of closure wigs. I mean, a lot of frontal wigs, but I don't have time for that anymore. I just want to put my wig on, spread a little bit what got to be, so I don't sweat it off, and you know, keep it moving. I don't have time. So yeah. And this also, if you're in a rush, don't do this just for fun to see if you can. I'll be in a rush because I procrastinate and I wait until the last minute to even try to get ready. So then I have to hurry up and get ready and get out the house. So I literally get ready head to toe in about 30 minutes. Okay, and start timer. I don't know why, but I actually don't know why. When I'm doing this video like I did with the makeup, why I get so nervous. And I think it's because the time, like the actual clock is literally ticking as I'm doing this. So it's like, even though it's something that I do all the time, but the difference is it's not, it's not I do it and then I get it done in the 10 minutes and be like, oh wow, that was quick. It's the fact that I'm actually now timing myself. So I kind of feel like I'm racing against the clock. Like, y'all ever feel like that? What if I left it down this far? No, but y'all ever feel like when you like doing something that you know how to do, you do it all the time, but the minute someone is watching you, you like, yeah, that's me with these videos. This is this supposed to be taking most of the time laying this down. That's my makeup I see. Alright. I need to hurry up. I got like 5 minutes. I clipped the back of these. No, I didn't. And I usually like put a band here while I like take my curls down, but I can't find it right now. So no band, I guess. I see it. I see it. Hold on. Don't judge me, y'all. I cut the strap, one of the ties off my do-rag. Because I sleep with a do-rag. Well, I want this tie. See? Somebody trying to sabotage me in my video. There we go. There we go. There are so many clips in this. I set myself up for failure, to be honest. I'm panicking now, y'all. Honest and truly. Because there are so many clips in my head. Every time I think that I got all the clips, I find another clip. See? Another clip. Come on now. Actually, it's pretty laid down, if I say so myself. What's that? I got makeup on. Okay. These curls have been in here for ages. Okay, what I'm gonna do, because the wig is pretty much done and I still got 27 seconds on the clock. Y'all can see that on the clock. Y'all see it. But I'm probably going to, like, if I had somewhere to go, then I would, you know. But like I said, if I had somewhere to go, I probably would just wear it like this. But for my pictures, I am gonna go back and just brush these curls out. I think I'm gonna just wait a little bit later on to film my other video because these curls are real tight. But I mean, they've been sitting for days, like days. I got it tangled too, trying to take them clips out. But it's giving rich aunt no kids with these curls, so I might actually I might actually with them. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I know somebody will ask, because y'all been asking about my hair a lot. This is hair from a hairline that I am starting. This is a custom wig. This is a custom wig that I made using the hair, and I have a 5x5 closure. So yeah, I'm gonna answer that before anybody in the comments says something, because I've been getting a lot of comments on my hair videos about my hair. So yeah, this is it. Let me know if you want to know a detailed wig tutorial, because I make my wigs with a sewing machine, because we trying to have longevity out these expensive wigs. But if you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much. Give me a like, and let me know down in the comments for if you want to know how to make your own custom wig and get it done real quick, because y'all know I'll be having angles for you. And yeah, it's time for us to start learning to do your own hair, because the industry is full of shenanigans right now. So, and see you all in my next video.